Hello, welcome to the Cooking Academy. My name's Pomegranates and today I'm talking pomegranates. There's a very good reason to talk pomegranates. It's one of the most delicious but pretty looking fruits. I call them little red rubies, and I remember as a child spending many hours picking out the pomegranates with a little pin. And I used to amuse myself for hours, and I don't know whether this was a ploy on the part of my mother to just keep me quiet for a little while. I'm going to show you a much easier way to deseed your pomegranate. Pomegranates are very high in vitamin C, vitamin K, they're high in potassium and dietary fibre. They're also very high in antioxidants and good for heart health. It's an antioxidant as well as an anti-inflammatory, good for joint health. And so there's lots of good reasons to eat not only pomegranates and put them into your cooking, but also actually perhaps put them into your smoothie. And if the biggest obstacle is cutting it, knowing how to cut it efficiently, then I hope I can show you how. Start by having a wooden spoon and your pomegranate. And although this may seem crazy, I want you to bash it like this. Now this is going to loosen the seeds within the fruit so that when you remove it, when you cut through it, they will hopefully fall out. It will release some of the juice as well, but it's going to make it much easier to loosen the little jewels, as I call them. So once you've sufficiently bashed it, just work your way around. Put this down and get yourself a bowl, and then we're ready to cut. So you can cut either going through from the top or this way, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to take it from the top. I'm going to cut through, allow them to separate, and then I'm going to cut it once more. And if this is very rocky, then I would suggest you cut with the surface area being flat and cut it through. And then you're simply going to bring the bowl, and literally I want you to just prise it open and the pomegranate will start to fall out, and you literally just want to separate the seeds as you do. So literally work your way around. Can you see how easily they're just falling out, and you're just really rubbing them, teasing them out of the shell. And that little bashing exercise is really what's enabling them to separate so quickly. So put all your peel. The peel is inedible, of course, so you just want to discard that. And you can see how the juice is, the bowl is important so that you capture the juice in here. And of course, the juice itself is very nutritious. So work your way through the rest of the fruit. So for something that actually doesn't take that long, so it's it's going to take you about 5 minutes or so, but the results and the pleasure of eating and the pleasure of seeing how it dresses a dish is beautiful. So here we are, deseeded pomegranate. Pick out any of the white bits in here, and again, pomegranate will keep in the fridge for at least up to 4 days and freezes very well. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you've enjoyed it, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated with all of our recipes, hints and tips. You can also visit our website at www.thecookingacademy.co.uk for classes, recipes and so much more.